Okay, hello. Okay, let's review our last lesson. Okay, first of all, review the letter R. R. The sound R is R. R. Rabbit. Rabbit. Letter U. U. The sound of U is A. Umbrella. 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 Next one is letter V. Letter V. The sound of letter V is V. 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 Van. Okay. And now let's review about our numbers. Okay. First one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and next number is 11. 11. Okay. E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. Next one is 12. 12. 12. T-W-E-L-V-E. 12. Okay, bye-bye.